So you were saying all I have to do, and I look up in the older chat, is Python 3 setup py install. So there's a setup right here. Python setup install. Okay, you must export. Oh, right. To build nupic core bindings. Oh man, I always forget about this. I hate this. This is so. Ugh. So all you gotta do is this, but it's still stupid. It's another Mac thing. So this is gonna give me, I had no idea. How can I test this? Is there a Python, should I be able to just create a Python 3 script at this point and install? Wow, that'd be great if that, and then all I got to do is like look over PyBind, because I did not realize that you guys had gotten this far with the bindings. Instructions for creating the bindings. Install one or the other. Download, install, boost. Run PyTests for bindings. Okay, and they should run in Python 3. Prefix, run C++ unit tests, execute unit tests, run Python unit tests. Pure Python, okay. This stuff, interesting. Python source code goes here. So maybe examples, examining scalar encoder. Okay, I'm gonna try some of these. Hey, I really appreciate you joining, Marek. You're very helpful. I was just telling people earlier how you were like one of the first people. You were the first person I know of to have compiled nupic at all. And I remember it took 18 days. Anyway, thank you. All right, where was I? Okay, setup complete. So I should be able to run py tests. Now, I don't know anything about Python 3. So I assume there's a test in where are the tests? Oh, there we go. Source test unit. Are these Python? No, these are C. I'm confused. I'm gonna go in here and I'll try one of these. It was a big achievement. You were the first person to compile nupic. I couldn't. You did it before me. A long time before me. Actually, that's not true, but I had help. Oh, bindings PyCode is in bindings py. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay, there we go. So these are like bindings tests. This is where I was just at. Okay. So let's go into here. README packaging test. So does PyTest work? Yeah, it does. Holy crap. Holy cow. SDR test, metrics test, scalar encoder test, RDSC test. Oh, that's great. You kidding me? So this is all Python 3. That is great. Coders. Is this just, where did this test come from? Was this translated from Python 2? Or, I'm a little confused. Is this the same test that we have in nupic? I'm gonna go look. I'm just curious. Use PyBind and it supports both 2 and 3. That's so it just supported 2 and 3. That's great. Okay, cool. So what was I going to look for? I'm going to look for. Oh yeah, I'm in nupic and I wanted to look for unit tests on encoders RDSC test, and I wanted to see. So this is a totally different test. RDSC test, yeah, test constructor, test error checks, test missing active bits, test sparsity active. So this is, so you're testing the bindings. These are bindings tests, right? These are specifically written against the bindings code to make sure that we're getting out what you expect to get out. If so, that's great. That's wonderful. It's making me very happy. Good job.